Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here, Anique Budgets, and on here we do cash up and budget and paying off for that and mind our business and not necessarily in them for orders. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, child, like the video, and leave your 2 cents with your comments down below. So as you guys can see, we gonna do this budget with me because baby, this money got to be budgeted, okay? All right, so let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I've zoomed you all in close and personal so you can get the TC what your girl is spending this money on. So first things first, this is my 8 March paycheck, baby. But let's budget it, okay? Don't ask no questions, baby, just go along with it, okay? So my salary for this paycheck was $521.26. Lord, don't start the tongue twisters too early now. We thank the Lord for all coins, okay? And he is a provider, Lord. Yes, you are. And so we just appreciate that. So $521.26 is how much we are going to be budgeting. Now, this is my second paycheck, so usually your girl ain't got that much of some bills going on, okay? She ain't got that much bills. So first things first is $53 for investing, because one thing I'm going to do now that I do not have no debt is I'm going to invest in me, child. Okay, come on, get it together. I think Canva comes out on the 11th. I just didn't write it here, but that is for $12.99, and that clocks me a bill every time, child. I keep them things on me. I am budgeting $60 for my phone bill. Usually, y'all, it's been coming out like $53, $54, like those kind of money. So I'm really excited to see what's going to be for this paycheck, you know? Budget with me, baby. So we can figure it out together. But those are all my bills. I know that you see it. 53 plus $12.99 plus 60. And so your girl came up to a total of $125.99 in bill. And I love that for me. I don't know about you, but I love that for me. Let me make sure y'all can see what's going on. So I'm gonna do that $521.26 minus that $125.99, and the good Lord said I got $395.27 left over to work with. All right, yes, $395.27. So now we're gonna take that money, we're gonna move down to our cash envelopes because we need to figure out, child, what we doing. First things first, the Lord is getting his coins, okay? And the Lord is getting $53. Always do 10%, and that rounds me up, okay? Because he gonna get his. So the Lord is getting $53. Groceries is getting $20 because I need that money. I need that money for something, child. I need that money for me groceries because your girl needs to eat, okay? So groceries is $20. Gas is $5 because your girl is planning to, you know, for her trip to do her hair. It cost me like $5. But it really cost me like $20 both ways. But you know, let's not talk about it. Let's not get too, you know, uppity. Next is my allowance, and my allowance is getting $5 as well. My toiletries is getting $2, okay, because you know we couldn't afford it this one. We want to be, actually I could afford it. What it was I wanted to be fancy for household because I did that junk $3, okay, a step up. All right, gotta take everything you can. My hair care, I only gave it $10, which is crazy because your girl has to put $100 in there before her next appointment. So girl, what is you doing? Get it together. Okay, and we did nothing for miscellaneous because won't he do it? But I still have it on there just in case I need it for something. And I did actually have to use my miscellaneous envelope, so we appreciate it for still being available. So now we're going to calculate our cash envelope. So that's 53 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10. And that is $98. Ooh, solid. All right, I'm trying to get y'all in and out, y'all. I ain't trying to have y'all here all day. So $395.27 minus how much? $98 leaves me with $297.27. Okay, so that's cool, that's good. We love to see it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our sinking funds, which is our long-term saving, child. Long-term, okay, long-term. So for my emergency fund, I did want to start like kind of increasing my emergency fund, and I also have a bank aka digital emergency fund, and I have a cash emergency fund. So I have both, which equals my total amount that I have in emergency fund, y'all, and I know exactly down to the dollar. It works. So my emergency fund is $32.27. That's what I'm gonna give it. My home maintenance, because your girl loves to maintain the home, is gonna get $10. My car maintenance is getting $10. Car insurance, because child, at some point, you know, I got a couple more months before I need to, girl, child, boy, I got a couple more months before I'm gonna have a car again and then have car insurance again. Child, we don't want it, but you know, be on the safe side. Okay, we don't need it. So car insurance is $5, and then travel is gonna be $20 because yeah, y'all, I was looking at hotels in Japan and how much they were, and so I know I didn't change the date to June, which is when my birthday was. I had it in April and May because that's when I was thinking I was gonna go. So I'm trying to decide when I'm going to go. But yeah, y'all, I'm winding down and preparing to go on my trip, and so I was looking up prices or whatever because I was gonna go book, y'all, and I'm not trying to overspend on no money. So if it's like a little cheap hotel, y'all, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to be, and there's a military base out there, I'm not trying to be on the base, but I'm trying to be in the city, but I don't want to pay like uptown price. It's gonna be me by myself. And listen, if I could get like a little twin bed, because baby, that's what I sleep on right now. If I get me a little twin bed with its own bathroom, child, that's all I need. I don't need everything else. And you know, if I can store my stuff all in that one room and leave it all day, baby, I would do that, because I'm not trying to spend a whole bunch of money on lodging. It's not like I'm gonna be in the room anyways. I'm gonna be outside, you know. So yes, I was looking at it, and some of them was like $35, some of them was like $45, but they're a little bit far. They like by the airport, but I want to be like close to the city for stuff. Or if I could be like by a train station, that would be great too, because you know, once you have a train station, child, you can go anywhere. So all that to say, I'm putting $20 in my travel account because baby, we getting ready to go. Next is my birthday, and so since we put $20 in travel, we're putting $15 in birthday. This is for spending, and this is for spending stuff, and then also spending money basically for my birthday, while the travel is actually to pay for my birthday trip. Let's see. And I'm also trying to go to Jeju Island, which is a little island here in Korea, but baby, for the low, I'm trying to go there for like a weekend or something. I'm not trying to go there forever, child. They offer it where basically like a travel agent will do it here on base for y'all. I looked at that junk. That junk is $790. I said, who's boo-boo the fool? Not me. So you know what? Let me figure it out, because it ain't that serious, baby. It really ain't. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that too before I leave. So those are the 2 trips that I plan on doing before I actually leave South Korea. So yeah. $10 for my home. Clothing has $5, and we already know your girl paid for her code, so I should be able to pick it up next week, and hopefully I can give y'all a picture and stuff so y'all can see what it looks like. Your girl gonna eat, child. Yeah, I have a gray one, it's a black one, so you know, the collection. And yeah, family birthday is $5. And then for skincare, we're going to do $10, because y'all, the way how I need to buy this moisturizer before I leave, oh, it's crazy. So let's do the calculation. This is $32.27 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Okay, so that comes up to $122.27, okay? And so from that $297 down here, 0.27 minus 122.27, I have a remainder of $175. Let's see it. And so we have my 1 month ahead, which is next, and in that I'm going to be putting $10 because yeah, I have multiple bills in that 1 month ahead binder, which you know your girl's going to be paying for. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna put $10 in subscriptions, because those, I like my little subscriptions be like completing and making me feel good. Like, oh, like, oh my god, I can pay a month of this bill. I'm trying to get 1 month ahead, so you know, the 1 month ahead binder and subscriptions, I just budget them separate, because yeah, I want them to be separate. There's the bills, like the big bills, and then the subscriptions are the ones that, baby, I don't need these, I just want them. And that's okay too if you have a little wants, just not too crazy on the wants, you feel me? So yeah, that's why I have them. And then last but not least, I am on the saving challenges, and I'm giving myself $155 to do what the Lord leads me to do. And so that comes up to $175 total, which would make my remainder $0.00. Okay, make sure y'all go see that. And so when we come down here to my additional debt, I have no money to give and we have no debt to pay. Okay, and I've been doing real good, y'all. Have I overspent yet? Have I outspent or have I overspent? I'm trying to think. Have I done that? I don't think I have. I think I've been doing really good. Yeah, I don't think I have. Because I've been paying for some stuff that I plan to pay for anyways. So I don't think I have. But I'll let y'all know. I'll definitely let y'all know. I'll make y'all know like for sure or something. So $0.00 is going to be the last of it. And that basically, y'all, is my budget. That is how I plan my budget. That's how I budget my money. That's how I get my life together. All of the above. So my camera is dying and it's going to go out. So I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you stop by, like, subscribe, comment, turn your notification bell on, because my name is Anique, baby. This is fantastic and this is a vibe over here. So also check out my Ko-fi page if you guys want free printable saving challenges. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. My name is Anique and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.